Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Kolya. In this video, I want to introduce a board that our team has just designed. It is called Light Dot. It is very small, only half the size of my palm, 5 cm long and 3 cm wide. It is equipped with ESP32C3 chip, which pays great attention to energy consumption design. It consumes very little power in low power mode, so it is very popular, especially in the application scenarios of industrial internet, smart home, and smart agriculture. So many people like to use it. So based on this feature, we designed a monopole antenna on the board, which is also called an inverted L-shaped antenna. This antenna can significantly increase the communication distance on this board. The actual test distance is 380 meters. And we also added an RGB light on the board. And here we also added a DHT temperature and humidity sensor, so you don't need to buy it or choose it yourself, etc., saving these troublesome steps. We directly added it to the board, and you can use it directly. Another big feature is that we have brought out all the pins on the chip on the board, so you can make some personalized projects based on this board and apply it to your own projects. It is very unique and widely used. So I think this board is very interesting. There are also 2 power supply ports here, one for the serial port and the other for powering the board. We use dual Type-C to facilitate when you use sensors or modules with high power consumption. We can use dual Type-C to power and avoid some power shortages. In addition, we will also publish some tutorials on our wiki, our official website, and our YouTube channel, including graphic tutorials and video tutorials. This will make it easier to get started with this board. If you are interested, you can go to our official website to pay attention to this board. This video ends here. Next, if you are interested, I will show you how far the communication distance of our board is. The testing process was very simple. I uploaded a program to the Light Dot, and once it connected to my phone's hotspot, it acted as a server and created a page with a button. Clicking the button allows me to toggle the RGB light on the Light Dot. So what I needed to do was move away from the Light Dot, turn on my phone's hotspot, wait for the Light Dot to connect, and then control the RGB light status through the page. If I could successfully control it, that would indicate the distance challenge was successful. Now let's begin the challenge.